Hello everyone, I'm Asha Best. Hope you all are doing well. Hope you all are safe. My dear children, today I just want to show you one fun activity I have conducted virtually on Saturday. And the students, those who have participated in this activity, were from class 4. Usually we don't have classes of primary on Saturday, but this time we just thought that we should organize fun activities for children, as from Monday to Friday they just study. One day, Saturday, they'll have an activity. They had this activity and they enjoyed it a lot. It was a fun activity in which the students were made to prepare laminate for themselves as well as for their family members. So I'm here going to share some of the pictures that I took in between the activity. These are the screenshots of my class. Hope you'll like it. Hope you'll enjoy. So let me begin. In the beginning, the ingredients were shown to children. They also, you can see here in this picture, the children are eagerly showing the lemons which they have brought for preparing lemonade. They all are looking happy. In the next image, I am explaining them something. Children are showing me that how they are going to prepare it. They are talking in between. They are asking. They are sharing their views. They are happy. In this picture, you can see they have prepared the lemonade. I too have prepared it, and now I'm just we are sharing it with our family members. We are enjoying our drink. Here I was asking to the parents with whom they have shared the lemonade that how it has been prepared by the small little children, and they shared their views. They were very happy. They enjoyed a lot. They said that from Monday to Friday children study and sometimes they want some kind of change, and doing such activities on weekend is really very interesting and very good for them. There are some more pictures in which you can see how watchful the children are, how happy they are, how concerned they are. They paid attention, they kept all the ingredients in front, they asked questions, they shared their views. Finally, I can say that they enjoyed it a lot. Here you can see at the end of the activity, they are very happy. They are raising their arms up, they are clapping, and they were telling me that it was really an enjoyable day for them, and next time they are expecting some more good activities, fun activities, which will energize their energy. They will enjoy it as well as they will learn something new from these activities. So this is all. This was a short, or you can say a simple attempt from my side. I would love your ideas, your opinions about this activity so that I can further improve and bring some more interesting ideas to organize different activities on every Saturday. Thank you. Have a good day, everyone.